up, beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an Asos try-on haul. I know it's been a while since I've done a try-on haul, so I'm like scrambling to get you some stuff. But you know, I'm on a weight loss journey. As you guys know, I lost 40 pounds so far, and my first goal is like 100. So I'm at the point now where my clothes are starting to fit big, like nothing's really fitting me, and I need new stuff for fall. So it's kind of exciting to be able to try stuff in different sizes. So I haven't tried any of this stuff yet. This is my big box. So we have a ton of stuff in here. I have workout clothes, dress up clothes, fall stuff. So I'm really excited to get into it. And yeah, let's go. Also, my pajamas are from Target. What I'm wearing right now, these are from Target. These small hoops are from Amazon. The big ones are from Etsy. And I will leave my lip combo and links to earrings, pajamas, lips in the description, because I know you guys will ask, as well as every single product you see here. And if they don't have it in stock, I will put something similar for you guys if I can find something similar. Also, if you can leave a like and a comment, just so that the algorithm knows that you guys really like these videos, and we can get my try-on hauls, you know, back on getting some good views and things, and that always helps me. So let's get into it. First thing we have here are these workout leggings. If you guys follow me and watch my try-on hauls, you would have seen that I tried these on the last time I purchased them, which was back in April. When I first bought these, I got them in a 20. And they fit when I first got them, but now they're huge on me, so I was able to get them in an 18. So I'll put these on for you guys. I have not purchased a pair of pants, leggings, anything in a size 18 in years. Okay, here's what they look like. I love the way these look on my figure. I think they're so complimentary on my body. It's giving gym selfie. I love it. I love these leggings so much. They're so cozy. They're so like, they're like butter. If you can get these, get them. I'm obsessed with these. I can't. I love them so much. So really happy with these, and I'm definitely keeping them. Next is this workout set that I was really excited for, but I tried it on once before. That was the only thing I tried on, because I was getting ready for my workout, and I was like, oh, I know I bought like a new set from Asos, like let me try it on before my workout to wear it. And it was not fitting well. It just does not look good on my body. The material is weird, the fit is weird, but it's this really cute little two-toned, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a two-toned, two-strap sports bra, and then it comes with, or it has a matching short, but the shorts are so ill-fitting. Like, look at how big the waist is. The waist does not fit me at all, and then they're too short. The material is too thin. All right, we have a pair of jeans here, and I am not good with trying jeans. The last few years, as I got bigger, it just got harder and harder to buy jeans, and I got tired of trying to buy jeans, so I stopped. And yesterday I went to Target. I picked out a size 20, and I was like, let me just try, and they fit. If you guys saw my story, they fit, and I was so excited just to have that feeling of like being able to go into a store. So I don't have high hopes, but I'm trying. Okay, so here are the jeans. These are from River Island. These are high-rise skinny jeans, and I got a size US 22. These are a UK 26, a Euro 52, and American 22. So they do fit, but I'm not enjoying how they feel on. The seam right here is way too long. Like where my crotch is on the jeans is like my thighs. So it has that weird feeling where it just does not fit properly. The waist is too big on me, but they're cute. So I do like how they look, but unfortunately they feel uncomfortable. So these are another pair of jeans that I picked up, and these have like the opposite problem of the other ones. These don't have any give for me in the waist. They're too short in the back, and then they're super baggy at the bottom, but they fit decent through the thighs. The other one fit around the waist, but not the bottom. Alright, we have another fail. So they're way too short in the back, barely cover that, way too big at the bottom. So yeah, not the vibe. Next is this dress, and this I got a size 18 because it's so flowy that I knew it would fit. I do not like this. I took a chance with this. This is like not in my normal scope of style, but I took a chance because I thought maybe with a belt and like chunky boots. So I thought maybe with like a faux leather blazer or like a belt with like some chunky black boots, it could be kind of funky, but no. When you have a body like mine, dresses like these just make you look humongous. Gorgeous sweater. This sweater is stunning. And the material, gorge. I think it's so elegant, expensive looking. I live for a sweater with a shoulder, you know? I'm a shoulder girl. I always have been. I love showing this whole area. Just so feminine, sexy. And this really does it for me. Yes, we have a win. By the way, that sweater was a size 18. Okay, so this is a size 18 and it's big on me, but it's really, really cute. So I might get it in a 16 if they have it. Look how cute the back is. Dying. Not sure where or how I would wear this, but I love tops like this. I think they're so classic and they just always are in style. And I call this like Italian summer style. It's like my favorite thing. So I might have to buy this in a smaller size, but I'm obsessed with the style of it. Okay, now to try to get it off, it's gonna be a bit of a fucking struggle, mate. Got this top because it's so freaking cute, but I think the biggest size they had was 14. So I got it thinking maybe it would fit if there was like stretch or something. And it's so cute, but it does not zip. I would have needed probably an 18 to get enough space, but oh my god, is this not adorable? If you're a size, like I think they had 2 to 14, so if you're anywhere between those sizes, please get this top. This is another one of those like Italian vacation tops. Like this is what I'm talking about. This is like my aesthetic, and that's why I want to lose weight, because I want to fucking wear shit like this. Why they don't make this shit in a 20? Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? It's so annoying. I'm obsessed with it. Should I keep it and like try it on as I lose more weight until it zips? Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh. Of course, the only thing I like. Alright, next I just picked up this white tee. Really comfortable, really basic. One of my favorite things in the fall is just like a white tee with jeans or trousers and a duster. So you always need a nice white tee. And this one, I really like the fit and the material of it, so I might get some more. You always gotta have like 6 of the same white shirt because they're pretty much disposable. Oh my god, look at these pajamas, guys. Asos always has like the cutest little pajamas. These are so comfy. I think I got a 20 in the shirt and a 20 in the pant. I don't remember, something like that. So that is it for the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on social media. Obviously, I'm on Instagram, but I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, all that good stuff. Links will be in the description. Love you guys. Stay glam. Bye.